Hi, I'm Ariana. Happy February. We are getting into the first Valentine's Day look of the year. Super exciting. So the palette that I'm using for this look is the Natasha Denona Cupid palette. Okay, very fitting. Love that for us. So this look is going to be super beginner friendly. It's very simple, very basic, but it's still very pretty and it can look very nice on almost everyone, I'm sure. So the brush that I'm using is a compact, flat, fluffy brush. So the flatness of it is going to allow you to pack on pigment to make it very nice and vibrant, as well as the fluffiness, which will help you blend everything out if you have to, which is why I love to use these brushes to apply eyeshadow with. It just does all the jobs. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm taking that kind of dark burgundy shade, the vibrant plummy red burgundy shade, and packing it on the outer V of my eye. So this is going to create a lot of depth, a lot of definition on the outer corners. So this is essentially going to bring our eyes up, uplift it, and just create a really beautiful kind of winged out effect. So the first thing that I did, like I said, was pack on that pigment, and then now I'm just kind of taking the side of the brush and buffing out the edges. So I'm not really going into the pigment that I packed on the center of the outer corner, but I'm just working around the edges to buff it out and blend it out so that it makes it easier to apply and blend in the other shades. Next, I'm going in with a lighter kind of taupe mauve light shade, nude shade, and I'm just blending this into that dark burgundy shade. So this is literally all that I did. We only used 2 eyeshadows, and now I'm just going back in and kind of deepening up that outer corner just to give it a more drama, just to buff out the edges and just kind of correct any blending errors, just making it look nice and seamless, as well as tapering it out to make it nice and winged out as well. So that's literally it. All you have to do is pack on the pigment, blend out the edges, and then pack on the lighter pigment on the inner corner of your eyes to create that beautiful winged out effect, because I do want my eyeshadow to kind of uplift my eyes and create that nice swooping uplifted look. So I then went in with my concealer brush and my concealer, and I just kind of cleaned up the edges. This is going to make sure that your eyeshadow looks nice and symmetrical, even if it's kind of messy towards the outer corners, which is totally fine because I really like to go back in and make it as deep as possible. But it doesn't matter if the edges are a little bit messy or blurred out. You can definitely fix that with concealer, and it's just going to make sure that both of your eyes look symmetrical and like you know what you're doing. Okay, I always do this on every eyeshadow look that I create, and it creates this beautiful uplifting effect as well as make everything look nice and clean. So I then went in with mascara, and this is what the look looks like with just mascara on. You can totally just kind of leave it like this. It's a beautiful just everyday type of look, and you don't even have to do anything on the lower lash line either, but I did kind of want to create some drama and make it a little bit more of like a day to night situation. So if you are doing anything during the day and then you don't have time to redo your makeup, you can definitely just go into the lower lash line after you come home if you're just touching everything up and you want to add a little bit more drama. All I did was add that burgundy shade to the lower lash line and kind of smoked it out a little bit. I don't like to take my lower lash line down too far because I feel like it just really makes my eyes look heavy. So, you know, do what works on your eye shape, but that's all that I did. I just applied the burgundy shade, and then I went in with some black or brown liner on my waterline. So this is really going to make your eyes pop, and it's really going to add a lot of definition and drama and just more depth into your eyes to make your eye color just come out a little bit more. And these colors look really good on brown eyes. They look amazing on blue eyes as well, and hazel eyes. So I feel like all eye colors this shade looks really good on. So I also added some mascara to the lower lash line, and then I added some flared out lashes. So all the products will be in the description box down below. Let me know what you guys think about this. I will also be creating a little bit more dramatic looks coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe. Please leave a like down below, it really helps me out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!